grow up, I want to be just like Professor Polga and set animals free. I'm going to start right now with Al. George, wait! Al, guess what? I'm going to set you free, just like Professor Polga and Reggie. Albert's a hamster. He's not like Reggie. Hamsters don't live up indoors. So Albert can be free?
I'm not sure what's up with this bird. It's a robin, and it looks like a young one. No, Jacob, don't touch the camera. No, I'm doing a video. Wait. No, stay back. So it just keeps coming back to the same spot on the tree and just flies into the window. It's been doing that since this morning.
Here you go.
Where's the bird?